Sweet, for
Sweet?
sure, for
Okay.
sure.
I kind of flip flop back and forth. But Heather's been telling me about these delicious overnight brownie
Batter overnight oats.
overnight oats. Brownie batter overnight oats. So she's going to show us how to make them.
Yeah, I love them. I normally have a shake for breakfast, but this just sounded good. I tried it, and now I'm kind of obsessed. They're so yummy. It's like dessert for breakfast, which is amazing.
Right.
So start with a half of a banana. All right, so we've got a half a banana, and this is just going to be for one serving. All right, so start with a half of a banana, and we are going to add.
You mashed up, right?
Mash it up. Yep, mash it up. And we're gonna add a 1/3 cup of rolled oats. So we love these gluten-free rolled oats from Trader Joe's.
Trader Joe's.
So we're gonna add those.
Okay.
Those next. Stir that a little bit. And then we're going to add 1 scoop of our chocolate complete. So this is what I use, oh, it's what we use to make our shakes. But it's high in protein and fiber, 8 grams of fiber. It's got a delicious chocolate taste. And it's got 15 plant nutrients as well. So we're gonna be getting 15 plants just in this alone, okay?
Which is really good, guys. I mean,
It's a lot.
That's
Well,
a lot.
for breakfast, I mean, even though it's dessert, it tastes like dessert to me.
Right.
It's plant nutrients. About a half a cup, and we use an unsweetened almond milk. So we're gonna do about a half a cup of that. All right, and you can always add a little bit more of the liquid if you prefer that. And then here is 2 special ingredients that I love to add. So we're gonna add a tablespoon of this organic cacao. And why do that? Well, there's a couple of reasons.
And also explain, what's the difference between, cacao and just regular?
Well, great question. So, and we got this at Trader Joe's as well. So I took some notes. Cacao has 40 times the antioxidants of blueberries. And blueberries is one of the most amazing fruit choices in terms of antioxidants.
Yeah, superfood.
Yeah, and blueberries are in here, but, well, no, actually they aren't in here. They're in the Juice Plus.
They're in the
But
Juice
there's 40 times the antioxidants. It is the highest plant source of iron. So a lot of people will say, well, I need to eat meat to get my iron. This is one of the highest plant sources of iron. It has more calcium than cow's milk.
Wow.
So that's huge.
That is
That's huge, especially when we're not doing a lot of dairy.
Right.
And then a natural mood elevator. So who doesn't want that, right?
Chocolate makes me happy.
And then it's got a delicious taste. So, and then we're gonna add a teaspoon of this maca powder. Now this is something new that we've both been experimenting with. It's got kind of a nutty flavor to it. In fact, it's described as having a nutty butterscotch flavor. So I would kind of agree with that. And we're gonna add a teaspoon of this. And so the reason that we purchased this and decided to start trying it is we had heard that this is a natural hormone regulator. So we've done a little research on this maca powder. It increases our energy by nourishing our adrenal glands, okay? It relieves stress, balances our stress hormones. So again, a lot of what this does is centered around our hormones. Stimulates hormone levels that are too low. So, we don't necessarily know what's too low, but this is known to stimulate the ones that are too low.
Okay.
And then good source of B, vitamins, fiber. So just a great thing to add to, you could add to smoothies, shakes, soups, really what.
I add it to my shakes every morning.
And I've just started doing that too. So again, we got this at Trader Joe's as well. So I was very excited. So we're gonna mix all that up. Now, in order for the oats to cook, they need to sit in the fridge overnight, kind of firm up and cook. And so rather than make you wait till overnight, we have one made up. And here is our finished product. So it's just, you can tell it's kind of a thicker consistency, kind of like a pudding. And it's just really rich. It really tastes like brownie batter. Give it a whirl, see what you think. I had it for breakfast this morning, so I know it's delicious. We added a couple dairy-free chocolate chips, a few nuts, and then a strawberry. Isn't that good? I love it. So this is just a super simple thing. The bummer is, like this morning or yesterday, I wanted it and I hadn't made it the night before. So it's a good idea to think ahead for what you want to breakfast the next morning, or have a couple in your fridge. But
So you can make up a couple batches.
I did, yeah. I do that sometimes. I'll make up 2 or 3
Oh, wow.
Yeah, isn't that good?
That's so good.
I know. So give it a try.
Thanks, guys. Make sure you post comments below. Any questions, let us know. And make sure you hit the big red subscribe button.
Yep, and we'll post
Oh,
the recipe.
Yep,
Yep,
absolutely.
sounds good.
Thank you.
Awesome. That's so good.
It's so good.
I mean, really, do you really like it?